Hook, GPT-5, the latest AI model, is expected to be 1,000 times more powerful than its predecessor, leaving many to wonder, will it replace humans in the job market? The recent GPT-5 release date leaks have sparked concerns that AI might replace human workers, and our analysis reveals surprising insights. According to a study by the World Economic Forum, by 2025, more than 75 million jobs may be displaced by automation. But what does this mean for the future of work? Will GPT-5 and other AI models displace human workers, or will they augment our capabilities and free us up to focus on more creative and high-value tasks? In this episode, we'll dive into the world of AI to find out. As we explore the impact of GPT-5 on the job market, we'll examine the current state of AI adoption, the benefits and risks of job automation, and the potential consequences for workers. We'll also discuss the role of AI in creating new job opportunities and the importance of upskilling and reskilling in the face of technological change. But first, let's take a step back and look at the broader context. The rise of AI has been rapid and unprecedented, with many experts predicting that it will be the most significant technological development of the 21st century. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI is already transforming industries and revolutionizing the way we live and work. However, as AI becomes more sophisticated and widespread, concerns about job displacement and AI bias are growing. Some experts warn that GPT-5 and other advanced AI models could lead to widespread job losses, particularly in sectors where tasks are repetitive or can be easily automated.
Deep dive. So, what exactly is GPT-5 and how does it differ from its predecessors? GPT-5 is a type of artificial intelligence designed to process and generate human-like language. It's based on a transformer architecture, which allows it to learn and generate text at unprecedented scales. But what makes GPT-5 so special? For one, it's much more powerful than its predecessors. According to its creators, GPT-5 can process and generate text 1,000 times faster than GPT-4. This means that GPT-5 can tackle complex tasks that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. But how does GPT-5 actually work? In simple terms, GPT-5 uses a massive dataset of text to learn the patterns and structures of human language. It then uses this knowledge to generate text that's indistinguishable from human-written text.
Controversy. As AI becomes more advanced, the debate over its potential consequences continues to rage. Some experts argue that GPT-5 and other AI models will displace human workers, leading to widespread unemployment and social unrest. Others claim that AI will augment our capabilities and free us up to focus on more creative and high-value tasks. But what about the potential risks of AI bias and misuse? As AI becomes more widespread, the risk of AI bias and misuse grows. Some experts warn that GPT-5 and other AI models could perpetuate existing biases and prejudices, leading to further social and economic inequality.
Future impact. So, what does the future hold for GPT-5 and other AI models? As AI continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see even more dramatic changes in the job market and beyond. But what does this mean for workers, and how can we prepare for the challenges and opportunities ahead? One thing is certain. The rise of AI will continue to transform industries and revolutionize the way we live and work. But as we navigate this new landscape, it's essential that we prioritize upskilling and reskilling, ensuring that workers have the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in an AI-driven economy.
CTA. So, what can you take away from this episode? The rise of GPT-5 and other AI models is a reminder that the future of work is uncertain and rapidly changing. But with the right skills and knowledge, we can thrive in an AI-driven economy. So, if you're interested in learning more about AI and its potential impact on the job market, be sure to check out our other episodes and resources. And if you're ready to upskill and reskill for the future, we've got a range of courses and training programs to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content.